College Katta, our favorite platform to unwind, connect, and celebrate the vibrant spirit of our college. It's a place where we bring the gap between the faculty and students, where every event brings us closer as a family. Today, we have a very special guest with us. He is someone who needs no introduction. Our beloved Professor of Anatomy, Dr. Nilesh Kanaskar sir.
Thank you.
Dr. Kanaskar sir is known for his jolly nature, his unwavering friendliness with students, and his incredible enthusiasm for all college activities. And let's not forget his love for music, something we're hoping to experience firsthand today. So, we're truly delighted to have you here.
Thank you.
Sir, we all know how passionate you are about teaching anatomy. But today, we'd love to know a little more about the person behind the professor. Let's start with something light. What's your favorite somber musical memory? And maybe, just maybe, would you bless us with a line or two of your favorite tunes?
Okay, this is a difficult question. Great. There are so many. I can't point out one. But yeah, you want me to hum? Don't tell me. प्रीत की लत मोहे ऐसी लागी हो गई मैं मतवारी बल बल जाऊं अपने पिया को कि मैं जाऊं वारी वारी मोहे सुध बुध नाय रही तन मन की ये तो जाने दुनिया सारी बेबस और लाचार फिरूं मैं हारी मैं दिल हारी हारी मैं दिल हारी.
Thank you. That was really amazing. Okay. Now, I would like to request Dr. Shilpa ma'am to felicitate Dr. Nilesh Kanaskar sir.
Thank you.
I would like to request Isha Valecha, General Secretary Student Council to felicitate Dr. Ashwin Deshmukh sir. Guys, let me tell you one thing. अश्विन सर को मैंने बस एक बार कॉल किया था कि सर हम लोग कॉलेज इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं एंड वी नीड यू. सर ने बोला कि बस तुम टाइम मैसेज कर दो, आई विल बी देयर. कल मैं टाइम मैसेज करना भूल गया. सर का सुबह सुबह मेरे पास मैसेज आया था कि कृष्णा टाइम कितने बजे आना है. सो ही इज एक्चुअली वेरी एक्साइटेड टू टॉक टू यू पीपल. सो बी फ्री टू टॉक टू हिम एंड आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन दैट यू वांट. थैंक यू सर फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. So let's start with the Q&A session. You can ask your questions to your favorite faculties about their personal life, childhood, aspirations, and whatever doubt that you have in your mind. So let's start.
You too.
Good evening, sir. So, can you please tell us about your childhood and where you grew up?
Okay, so I basically hail from Nagpur, but I'm born and brought up in Uttar Pradesh. So all my education till 12th I was in UP. Then I came to Maharashtra for my undergraduation in this college only, and then post-graduation, and then working here since then.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Sit.
Good afternoon, sir. I'd like to ask you if you were always inclined towards medicine or did you had any other plans growing up?
No, I was inclined towards medicine always. No other backup plan was there. So no other field there was in my mind. If would I have given her choice, I would be in the field of music, otherwise medicine.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I would like to ask, how's your childhood and whether you have any funny and memorable memories?
As a child, yeah, I was not that outspoken person. More into books, more into reading, and yeah, more into some designings like arts and all. So that made me something which one quality that one more I have developed is developing or drawing arts. So that was one of my hobby that was there. And rest all, most of the time I was with books.
Good evening, sir.
Good
I want
evening.
to ask you that what was the most challenging and rewarding part of studying anatomy?
For me, yes, Ashwin knows it because Ashwin and me was there together. So what I used to do was, after learning, I used to teach my batchmates. So from that was the point I was like a good explainer. So most of the guys were coming and girls were coming, Nilesh please आज ये समझा दे, आज वो बता दे. So in that point of way, I developed my more teaching skills. So it was that point that I know that I am able to explain and people are getting my explanation in a much better way. So it was that thing that took my mind.
So actually, as we heard, you and Ashwin sir were in the same batch.
Yeah.
So
That's-
were there something that we need to know about Nilesh sir that he is not speaking here, but you can share some instances that he had in past?
So see, it was purely like this is purely a first bencher, and this is a back bencher. So that is a first bencher, this is a back bencher, that's it. But yes, I'll say one thing, your commitment, dedication, and purely into the book, and that is what we've been seeing throughout. Very nice. That's what I'm really saying.
Thank you.
And even right now, if you like into any research or if you want to do any trial and career research, so this person is somebody is like more into, into and interested. Then I guess let's do it. What we face and what is the so always ready.
So before a question, let's spice it up a little. Let's start a game. Okay? There will be two teams. One for Nilesh sir, and the second will be for Ashwin sir. Okay? The track will be played. You have to guess the song. You and your team, if you guess the song, you'll get 1 point, and if we guess the song, we'll get 1 point.
How to say कि we have identified the song?
You just say the name.
Raise the hand.
No, you just say the name.
Acha.
And those guys are for just helping you. And Ashwin sir is your.
Okay.
Yes. Ashwin sir.
Deva.
Yeah.
Which song? Got it.
Okay, next track.
ये शाम मस्त है. That person goes by the rules. So it's waiting to raise the hand.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sir, दो लाइन गा भी दो इसको.
वो आता नहीं है सॉन्ग, आना भी तो चाहिए ना सॉन्ग गाने के लिए.
ये शाम ये शाम
मस्तानी मदहोश ये जाए कोई डोर मुझे खींचे तेरी ओर ले जाए.
अश्विन सर.
ये कोई पेपर लीक नहीं हुआ है साइड से.
आज बस एक चीज पता चल गई कि आज पता चल गया कि ऑर्थोपेडिक्स इतने रोमांटिक क्यों होते हैं. क्योंकि गाने की शुरुआत होने से पहले ही अश्विन सर ने बोल दिया वो लम्बे. ओके थैंक यू. ओके सो वी हैव फॉर क्वेश्चंस.
Good afternoon, sir. So my question is that if you would ever get a break from work, where would you like to travel in the world and why?
Okay, so there are plenty of places I want to visit, but the cooling and the calm place I want to be in some having mountain ranges. That is the place I'm looking for relaxation and for cheering up myself.
Thank you, sir.
My question is for Shilpa ma'am actually here.
Am I?
Ma'am, you're a very successful gynecologist. We just wanted to know that it's a very draining job. It takes a lot of your time. And how is it possible for you to manage your personal as well as professional life with it?
Yes, that is a very good question and specifically pointing towards all the girls. So first thing is when you are following your passion, you are always happy. So when you are happy, you can plan your day, your life, your schedule, everything. So as I am a gynecologist and similarly I am very passionate about the writing. So whenever I write something, it is a stress buster for me. So whenever I am very stressful or angry on my sons or whatever happens, I try to write something. This way I make myself happy. And then when you're planning your day or you're like maintaining the work-life balance, it is always, I tell my sons as well, that life is all about your priorities. At this moment, what is my priority? For today, what is my priority? For this week, what is my priority? That you have to decide. Because especially in Indian women, I am not much aware about the abroad women, but still in Indian women, you are still, along with your career, you have to maintain the balance in your personal life especially at the kitchen front. So that is very distressing sometimes that my other colleagues are doing this and that and I am still at the kitchen. But that's the life and you have to accept it, and as early as you will accept it, you will enjoy it. So the key to everything is be happy first, then only you can do all the things. Thank you.
Any questions, guys?
So what inspired you to specialize in anatomy?
That's a very good question because I was very keen in dissecting out and finding out structures, and I was having a thing in my mind कि नहीं ये टेबल पे अगर ये चीज़ मुझे दिखानी है तो मुझे डिसेक्ट करना है, वो टीचर को दिखाना है. And for that, the skill I developed for a very meticulous dissection by doing ample of dissections. Okay, during my UG days also I used to be in dissection hall prior to everyone. He knows it. Dissection hall के टाइमिंग से शुरू होने के पहले मैं रहता था वहाँ पे. सबके जाने के बाद भी मैं ही रहता था वहाँ पे और dissection करता था in order to find structures in a very good manner. So that somewhat gave me happiness to become an anatomist.
So I have a question for Ashwin sir. everyone here knows your love for pets. So would you like to elaborate about that unconditional love or any favorite memory of your pet?
Basically, I have been like, yes, of course, I like animals, but the problem is like I could never have a pet. But whenever I used to keep a pet, so somehow something happens. And I don't know, recently I have a fish tank, I have a silver shark in it, and just while cleaning them, with that I used to remove them in a tub. I have to go and clean the tank. So that guy just jumped out. My daughter, she's like 11 years old, she was on the phone, she didn't notice. That it was like continuously was jumping and about to die. I don't know what, it was already dead. So I put it back in water. I don't know where the hearts, lungs, kidneys, whatever they have, I don't know where it is. It was purely compressing it on the wall. And after a while, maybe it was all sufficed. It was prone and it started moving. So for me that was something, I don't know, I really saved the life or what. But yes, it was alive after that. So that was a moment where I thought I can stop eating fish.
So saving lives here and at home.
I tried. See, there's nothing to lose there. But yes, when you have a pet like for a very long time, that was 1.5 to 2 years old. That's it. This is correct.
So actually, this question is for three of you. Actually, Shilpa ma'am, Ashwin sir, and Nilesh sir. Actually, when we are a medical student, we always dream कि कभी ऐसे हो कि हम रोड पे जा रहे हो, किसी को अटैक आ गया है, हम वहाँ पे CPR दे रहे हो और हम सेवियर बन जाए. I mean ऐसे कुछ emergency conditions हो और उसमें आप as a hero कुछ करते हो. तो ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंस हुआ है कि someone was on his deathbed और आपने आपकी हेल्प करने की वजह से या आपकी करने की वजह से उस मोमेंट पे आपको एक तो ऑब्वियसली काफ़ी अच्छा भी फील हुआ है उससे और दूसरा ये कि आपने किसी की जान भी बचाई. सो वॉज देयर एनी सच इंसिडेंट्स कि जो ऐसे हुआ है?
Not exactly on the road or somewhere in the flight or something. That is very dramatic, I feel, and probably very rare event. But it do happens that one of your decision or one of your history taking point or something else changes the management and then the patient survives. When I was an intern, so this is the importance of doing internship rightly and very sincerely. So when I was the intern, I have done my UG from GMC Meerut, and rather not intern also, I was in third second, and we had mission postings. There was mission hospital in Meerut. So when I was doing my third second postings in medicine, there was a girl, 16-17 year old, and she was a case of poisoning. And her investigations and everything was going on in that poisoning thing. And I was just talking to her, and I don't know this is good quality or bad quality of mine, but many people open up to me. And while just talking to her, she just opened up her story and then she told me everything, and then she committed that she had done it for suicide. And this I brought it to notice into the treating physician and then the involved psychologist, and the treatment, I don't say that she was saved, but it was on a different track and probably it helped her in her future life. And after, I think, after 23 years of this incident, I still feel that I have done something nice and whatever I am doing it right now when I am actually saving the patient. So few things are really vivid in your memory and you cannot forget it. Thank you.
Nothing life saving, but it was my it was my bhanja, and we were in the kitchen and जो पंजा लगा था arm wrestling. We was very small, hardly 7 years old. We were doing the arm wrestling, and I pulled it out, I think, thoda. Then in orthopedics we got pulled in. The radial head it pops out. So I being an orthopedist, fortunately I could figure out he was trying so badly, and the only thing what we had to do is like wait and just reduce it. I reduced it. I realized I was at fault. I reduced it. He was quiet. And the next moment he was like कि मामा ने माझा हात तोडला. आणि मी मम्मीला सांगताय. So I was like मैंने कैसे मनाया उसको कि भाई ये बोल मत देना करके. So that is like this. So just to मिल गया हाथ and I could figure it out and reduce it.
I was doing emergency duties, and it was a quite hectic day, and it was my son's birthday. So in the evening, there was only a second gravida patient who was remaining. She has first normal delivery, and everything was fine. And my son was continuously calling, please sir आ जाओ केक कटिंग के लिए, बस आधे घंटे के लिए आ जाओ. I said okay, I will come. I left, and just maybe within half a kilometer, I don't know why I felt this patient will have some kind of problem. The baby is looking big. It might land up in shoulder dystocia. It was little bit time for her delivery, so I was in a dilemma whether I should go home, cut the cake and come back, or return right now only. But somehow I listened to my internal instinct and I returned back. And when I came to the labor room, it was actually shoulder dystocia, and I delivered it by doing the various manuals, and the resident who was doing the delivery literally cried what would have happened if you would not have come back. And that was, still I get the goosebumps when I remember that incident. So sometimes your instincts and your internal feelings also matter. Don't neglect them. And once you come to the medical field, you have to decide. Just I said, for lifelong, our priorities are patient and never our relative, and that never our son, daughter, husband, nobody. It is the patient. And that's why especially whenever you come to the classes, हम तुम्हें बोलते हैं क्लर्क नहीं होना है, क्लर्क नहीं होना है. Please come attend the classes for the same reason, क्योंकि this internal instinct come by experience. वो ऐसे ही नहीं आता है, वो experience से ही आता है. So please do attend the classes.
For me, it was just like I was in final MBBS and I went home in vacation, and not a very major issue, but the lady came with 3 or 4 year old son crying like hell. उसका एक छोटा बच्चा जो था उसने एक पीनट अपने नाक में डाल लिया और every time he was grasping the peanut was going in. And एक पॉइंट पे आके वो रो रही थी कि वो सांस दर्द हो रहा है उसे और he was taking inside. So what we did, I with my mom, उसको अपसाइड एक्लीज टेंडन से पकड़ा, उल्टा किया, पीठ पे 2-3 मारे और फिर फॉर्सेप डाला नाक में और उस पीनट को निकाल के पकड़ा. So that was something which we did to save the life, and he was stabilized.
Amazing.
It's time for a little game. Sir, आपके सामने ये placards हैं. Yes or no?
अश्विन सर आपके आगे थी.
मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, आपको रैपिडली yes or no बिना सोचे करना है. Did you ever fake being sick to skip school?
अश्विन सर का yes है guys. Yes from अश्विन सर.
Front bencher, first bencher.
Yes. Did you ever bunk lectures during your MBBS days?
Sir,
which
no.
lecture? I want to know which lecture.
Sir, which lecture? And
नहीं, not first year. I did it in final year only.
I won't say anything. Ashwin sir, which lecture?
All sir, now the rest. So he was a faculty in PSL. So Monday afternoon we used to have 2 o'clock these were PSL lectures, and we were in second year. So थोड़ा total हो जाता था for these lectures. Not good saying this, but yes होता था. And I was in my room, and मेरे class जो चिराग, so I got a call from his room. I was sitting peacefully in the balcony Monday afternoon, and I was like, बोल. तो इस like अरे किधर है? कौन है भाई? मैं कहा रूम पर कौन बोल रहा है? तो इस like अरे मैं जितेंद्र बोल रहा हूँ. Then he's like, अरे जितेंद्र बोल रहा हूँ. मैंने सर I stood up and like अरे sorry. अरे किधर है तुम? And I was in the council. I first year as magazine, then journal vice and all. So faculty they knew me. So he's like, अरे तू Monday को मेरे हर lecture में नहीं है. So then I had a short story. I told him, sir, I have a book. It doesn't come on Sunday. On Sundays we eat outside. So Monday मेरा पेट खराब. But then he was like, if he come to me, I'll give it to you. After that, I stopped bunking those. But yes.
Did you ever prank a friend in the dissection hall?
That means yes from Ashwin sir. No.
How could one could prank, like what kind of intersection hall? No.
I got pranked.
By whom?
No, by the cadaver. What happened? So, if in the museum, if you see, there is a femur with a prosthesis.
Yeah, there is
So
a
that was
specimen.
my dissection data. And I got pranked because once we dislocated the infection, when we got it out, I was shocked like, what is, why the metal there is? So that was
Pranked and by the guy.
So I got inevitably pranked.
Have you ever shared your own Viva struggles with your students?
I did that.
What Viva struggle did you went through?
Viva struggle. Acha, what are you expecting exactly? Yes, things. Why would I have been gone wrong when I know this? I'm gonna do it right. Why this answers? But I mean, why did it say wrong? That was my struggle. I shouldn't have done it right. So that was the struggle I was facing.
Do you have a hidden talent that most people don't know about?
No, music everyone knows. Art everyone knows. That's it. Yeah.
Cricket.
There's nothing you do.
Yeah.
I do write sometimes, but I read.
You draw so you
Yeah,
write also.
write sometimes, not that often, but I read a lot.
Guys,
The quotes
Nilesh
and-
sir actually शायरिया काफी अच्छी सुनाते हैं.
That
And
but reading
let's
habit is there. So
have sir एक शायरी इरशाद. इरशाद.
okay. कोई इतना प्यारा कैसे हो सकता है? वो भी सारे का सारा कैसे हो सकता है? आपसे मिलके उदासी जाती नहीं, आपके बिना गुजारा कैसे हो सकता है?
वाह वाह वाह. शिल्पा मैम भी लिखते हैं. कुछ शिल्पा मैम आप भी सुना
मैम
दीजिए.
फ्यू लाइन चलेगा चलेगा.
No issues. 3 people at least here understand Marathi.
I was writing a chapter for the book Harmony of Hormones, and I was assigned the oxytocin. The oxytocin, I read a lot about oxytocin. जितना मैंने ना UG ना PG में पढ़ा था उतना ज़्यादा पढ़ा. And then I realized the importance. This may look academic, but yes, it is very good to know what oxytocin does. And it was around I was supposed to submit my chapter before 10th of February. So it was around the Valentine Day. So the love is in blood and not air. By releasing oxytocin, posterior pituitary makes you fair. It calms you and make you trust. For sexual pleasure, also oxytocin is must. It helps uterus to abort or augment labor. It squeezes uterus and doesn't allow blood to pour. Mom and baby duo is delighted when oxytocin surge lactate. It helps in digestion and also gives you quiet sleep. For all, oxytocin is a healthy beat. Too much stress, loss of privacy, oxytocin is spoiled. In every cell with oxytocin, love is spoiled. Wherever there is love, there is oxytocin. It makes him king and transforms her to queen. Thank you.
Oh,
Very nice.
Very
nice poem.
I remember this from my final exam.
questions, guys? Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. I would like to know whether there were any professors or mentors during your med school who left a lasting impression on you.
Yeah. There was a ma'am called as Vaishali Bharambe ma'am. okay, in anatomy department only. She is a wonderful teacher, and I had learned a lot being a student of her and then being a colleague as a junior professor to her. She is something which can make you learn so many things in life and with neatness and perfectness. Near to perfectness, not exactly, but she has a great impact on me.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you have a significant?
To me or to sir? Acha, to me. Okay.
Can you share a significant milestone or achievement that in your career that you proud of?
Okay. So after completing my MD, that was not expected, but I secured a gold medal of all the pre and paraclinical departments. So I was the single one who secured the gold medal. So that made me proud of myself.
So, one question from my side. As you both were the student of Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College, so the things have been changed. All you guys are from second year, right? So they hang out near the timeless. They hang out somewhere outside at Bruin. What was the locality here at the time you were doing your UG, where you used to hang out, and what were the fun spot in Pune that you used to explore?
Was not roaming around much during my UG days, but yeah, that time the popular places were, there's a multiplex called E Square near, I don't know,
It's very far.
University Round. So that was the place when we need a change we used to go. Near around there were no fancy cafes or shops. It was all tapri wala thing that we used to go and enjoy. That's it. Yeah.
That too, only two tapris were
Two
there.
tapris
in the
were
far
there.
end corner. That's it.
Yeah, morning and evening everybody was there gathered around. You have to wait to get your stuff.
Only two tapris and we had only two bikes that time. Imagine the entire front road had only two bikes. I had one and Robin had one.
Robin.
Only two bikes used to be there, two tapris were like that. This was basically dead and now it's completely dead.
So it's time for another game. This game is one word association. मैं एक वर्ड बोलूँगी आपको जैसे रैपिड फायर में जैसे आप हमारा वाइवा लेते हैं जो भी आपके दिमाग में
ले
पहले
लो तुम मेरा वाइवा अच्छे से, मैं बताता हूँ बाद में.
Come with your question banks, and they are actually noted and brought it.
Shoot.
रेन
Freshness.
बोन
Solid.
म्यूजिक
Peace.
नर्व
Excitement.
ट्रैवल
Happiness.
कैडावर
Teacher.
बॉलीवुड
Time pass.
हार्ट
Love.
थैंक यू सर
Questions?
Good evening, sir.
Evening.
So I'm late, sir. How do you think teaching anatomy has changed over the years?
A lot of changes has been taking place from manual teaching to then digital teaching. That transformation is taking place right now. But there are some pros and cons of every kind of teaching. Manual teaching can never ever be replaced by any kind of digital teaching. And nowadays a digital anatomy is coming, the digital cadaver teaching. So even if you are reading it or taking the help of that kind of teaching, you won't be able to much look or feel the structures which are actually can be done on the cadaver. So that is something the transformation is, it is good because every time you can't have cadaver to look at liver or stomach or HNF region. But whenever there is need, the digital platform will be there. But in actual, you have to come and learn the organ with the organ in your hand to have a proper and basic anatomical relation understanding. Getting it?
So the question is, what is the piece of advice that you would have given to your younger self when you were in your UG days? That now you know that you did some mistake in your past that you could have corrected if you are in the same state now, and I mean if you were in the same state as you are now.
Okay. Fine. So, what I feel is, I mean, the way I used to study, okay, or the way I used to utilize my time only with books, that could have been much more if I could have developed some more extracurricular activities. So one should not be always with books. You have to explore your other ends, develop them, so that whenever you are not with books, you are doing that stuff which makes you happy at the end of it.
Sir, I would like to ask you, what do you think about the College Katta initiative that we are running, and how do you think it is effective for students and it is helping every one of us in some way, and how it is bridging between you and your students, and what do you have your opinion about it?
It's a good initiative that you have started, because all the daily routine of just anat and students and osteology and students, radiology and students, embryology and histology. So apart from that, if people are getting to know the person they are being taught by, what kind of person he is, the likes, the dislikes. It's okay, something thoda sa twisted from the normal daily routine. That is always a good thing and gives you some kind of freshness from the daily monotonous routine. So it's a good idea to bring about this, and you should call many more teachers to interact so that people will know what kind of personality actually the person is, apart from being a teacher.
Okay. Any last question from you guys? Okay.
So, do you like watching any medical dramas?
I haven't seen till date, but yeah, Grey's Anatomy is one thing which I want to see.
Do you find them realistic? Yes.
Not that much. Not that much.
Thank you.
Ma'am, is there any question that you would like to ask to Nilesh and Askar sir or Ashwin Deshmukh sir? सर अश्विन सर ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन है जो आप सर से पूछना चाहते हैं?
Meeting, we have nothing else.
Okay. Ma'am, we would like to know your experience as your first College Katta as you came here for the first time.
Yeah, I have come here for the first time, but what I feel, सास भी कभी बहू थी. If you understand this, it will be better for you that even we have all gone through some kind of challenges. Even we face some struggles while giving the viva. Even we were backbenchers. Even we did this mistake. But still today what we are is enough. So I feel one thing I would like to tell that I was a very underconfident girl, and maybe in the last 10-15 years I have emerged as a confident girl. But previously I was very underconfident. So many of you will be like that only. So it does not matter, the state of your mind, your body will be changing. And in Sanskrit there is a shloka, idapapi gamishati, ye bhi din jayega. So if you are frustrated today, you will be happy tomorrow. But if you are not happy today, your future might change. So please try to be happy. Try to be, I think by chit-chatting with all of us, you will get some kind of message, one message. We know, as a teacher we know, when we give you 100 points, while going home, you take only 20 with you. We know that. So by this chit-chat, even if you take 1 point, say, मैंने बोला कि happy रहो, sir ने बोला कि he was backbencher but still he is very successful. He he told that he was very studious, but he feels कि extracurricular भी करना चाहिए था. So some kind of fun message even if you take from this college katta, it will be very nice, and it is like a summation of everything. You don't have to read the whole book. It is 1/3 summary of what we have done in our college. So it is a very nice initiative, and I really liked it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nilesh Kanaskar sir, for being Dr. Ashwin sir, Dr. Shilpa ma'am, for being with us today and for bringing pure infectious energy and love to life for our Katta. We've laughed, learned, and most importantly, connected with the person who makes learning anatomy, ortho, and OBGYN so enjoyable. Let's give sir and ma'am a big round of applause for making this event truly special. Before we close, I'd like to thank everyone for being such a wonderful audience. Remember, College Katta is about celebrating the essence of our college life. So, let's continue making every gathering a memorable one. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep smiling. Thank you.